This video we will solve one problem on Green's theorem, and the problem is evaluate integral over closed curve C xy plus y square of dx plus x square dy where C is the closed curve of the region bounded by y is equal to x and y is equal to x square by using Green's theorem. Okay, so we need to evaluate this over C where C is the closed curve of the region bounded by the line y is equal to x and the parabola y is equal to x square. Okay, so for that we need to identify the region first. So you draw y is equal to x line and y is equal to x square parabola. Okay, now you can see the region bounded by the line and the parabola. Okay, after identifying the region, okay, the question is we are evaluating this over C, and C is the curve of the region bounded by the line and the parabola. Okay, so to evaluate this integral we need the limits. Okay, so first you call the given integral as I, and to evaluate I we need the limits, and for that reason we need to find out points of intersection of the line and the parabola first. Okay, so for finding out points of intersection, you write y is equal to x and y is equal to x square. Substitute y is equal to x. Okay, then transpose this x to right hand side. Take x common and equate both the factors to 0. So you will get x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Now substituting x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 in one of the equations, you will get y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So points of intersection are 0, 0 and 1, 1 that you will mark in the figure. Okay, 0, 0 and 1, 1. And now to evaluate I, write Green's theorem. Okay, Green's theorem is integral over closed curve C m dx plus n dy is equal to double integral over r del n by del x minus del m by del y into dx dy. Okay, and now you can identify easily the given integral is in the form of LHS of Green's theorem, m dx plus n dy, where m is equal to xy plus y square, n is equal to x square. Okay, and to evaluate this I, which is in the form of LHS of Green's theorem, you are writing this LHS equal to the RHS of the Green's theorem. Okay, so to find out I, we need to take this RHS of Green's theorem and we need to substitute del n by del x and del m by del y. That you have to find out here. Okay, so del m by del y is partial differentiation of m with respect to y treating x constant. So del m by del y is equal to x constant, differentiation of y with respect to y is 1 plus y square differentiation is 2y. Okay, and now del n by del x is 2x. Partial differentiation of n with respect to x treating y constant. Now substitute del n by del x and del m by del y in the expression. Okay, so after substitution you can easily make out here dy dx will come. So we need the limits of x and y for the evaluation. Okay, and to write the limits we need to take in the first integral, we need to write constant limits. For maintaining uniformity we will take x here. Okay, so x is varying from, we will fix this integral to x only. Okay, so x is varying from 0 to 1. So first integral limits to be written as x as varying from 0 to 1, and to write the next integral limit you need to fix this one for y. Okay, after fixing this first one integral for x, next one you need to fix for y, and the point to be remembered is y to be written in terms of x. Okay, so this you need to identify from the region. Okay, in our region y is varying from which curve to which curve. Okay, so the meaning is y is varying from the parabola, that is y is equal to x square, to the line y is equal to x in upward direction. Okay, y variation you are writing. So y in the region y is starting from this parabola y is equal to x square, and it is up to the line y is equal to x. So the next integral to be written in terms of x, that you have written as y is equal to x square to x. Okay, and now you have already substituted del n by del x and del m by del y. On simplification you will get x minus 2y, and this integral you have fixed for y. So the first step is to integrate with respect to y. So on integration with respect to y, you will get x outside, integration of 1 is y, apply limit from x square to x, minus as it is, 2 as it is, integration of y is y square by 2, apply limit from x square to x, and on simplification you will get I is equal to integration from 0 to 1 x square minus x cube minus x square plus x to the power 4 into dx. On cancelling x square, x to the power 4 minus x cube will be there. Okay, and this you have to integrate with respect to x. And now x to the power 4 integration is x to the power 5 divided by 5, and x cube integration is from x to the power 4 divided by 4. And you need to apply limit from 0 to 1 in both the terms. And on simplification you will get I as minus 1 by 20. Okay, and this you try.